Marine ecosystems are closely related to key environmental functions which support all life on Earth. They regulate the climate, prevent erosion, accumulate and distribute solar energy, absorb carbon dioxide and maintain biological control. At the same time, oceans are contributing to many economic activities, resulting in prosperity, social well-being and quality of life. However, the marine environment is faced with a number of increasingly severe threats, which include loss of biodiversity and habitats, pollution, and the impacts of climate change. Now, more than ever, it is imperative to have reliable data concerning our marine environment.
So for the common sense platforms in the project that we're developing, our goal is to drive the cost down by an order of magnitude so that you can buy, for example, 10 sensors for the price of one at the minute. So that means you can start to scale up the in-situ sensing, keep up with the reliability with a minimum inspection period of maybe 3 months. So that means that it's only once every 3 months that you need to have somebody actually coming out to check and calibrate the devices. In between that time, they function autonomously. They have their own solutions on board. They can calibrate, they can flag if issues are happening. If the sensor's not functioning properly, they can tell you.
The Common Sense project was launched in November 2013 and is funded by the European Union's 7th Framework Programme in response to a call for integrated and cost-effective sensor platforms. Common Sense has been developing innovative, cost-effective sensors that will improve marine data management, which is beneficial for predicting marine climate, weather, and environmental conditions, protecting marine life, mitigating marine environment changes due to human activities, and promoting the advancement of marine science. Currently available sensors have so far been costly, small size, and not interoperable with relevant observation systems.
The testing activities, every time you build something new, are very important, and especially in Common Sense, where we have to build innovative, low-cost, robust new sensors for the marine measurements.
The sensors can be integrated into a wide variety of platforms, including vessels, buoys, and even ocean yachts. The Common Sense project is developing 4 dedicated sensors: nutrients, microplastics, heavy metals, and underwater noise, as well as 4 reference sensors: pH, temperature, pressure, PCO2. These sensors are low maintenance, highly efficient, user-friendly, suitable for large-scale production, developed onto modular systems, and integrated into multifunctional packages. Integral to the operation of the Common Sense sensors is the Smart Sensor Unit, which feeds data from the sensors to the Common Sensor Web Platform. This web platform allows the sensors to share data with existing and new observing systems, and they are currently fully compatible with the Global Ocean Observing System and the Global Earth Observing System of Systems.
The European Commission wants to get the GES, the Global Environment Status. It means that the 2020 all the state members should to fit with a minimum requirements of the seawater. So we are providing a lot of infrastructures and deployments like racing yachts, vessels, buoys, moorings, in order to provide as much information as possible. So the idea is to get as far as possible, as cheaper as possible, for everywhere, for any point of the sea.
Common Sense is a pan-European consortium consisting of 15 partners across 7 countries. These partners provide the necessary skills, knowledge, competence and facilities to deliver the next generation of sensors. Key stakeholders have been involved in the development and testing of our sensors, giving Common Sense important feedback on the use and deployment of sensors in the field by the future users of the platform. The European Union is committed to fostering a sustainable relationship with our marine environment. The Marine Strategy Framework Directive, or MSFD, is designed to deliver good environmental status in EU marine waters by the year 2020. To achieve this goal, new technologies and methods are required to monitor our seas and necessitate the deployment of effective and affordable sensors to do so. MSFD has been considered at every stage of the design, development and testing of common sense sensors, and each of the 4 dedicated sensors address a specific MSFD challenge. The data will be available to citizens through existing observing systems, as the Common Sense web platform will be interoperable by using open access standards. The deployment of cost-effective sensors will be a key tool for EU member states to assess the condition of their marine environments at a regional, national and global level.
So the Common Sense project is really important because it typifies the way that partners from across the European Union can work together on these important issues. And it's not just about doing research in the lab, which is important to help us develop the new technologies and solutions, but it's also about taking these solutions out and deploying them in real scenarios. And we are doing deployments all the way from the Mediterranean, in situ marine sensing in the Mediterranean, up to the far north of Norway. So it truly is a project that spans the entire European Union.
For more information, please visit www.commonsenseproject.eu.